child. We had to pluck, tuck, clean off all that glue, honey. We had this girl all our life we had to fight. We'll be back. And now our client is getting her Locs shampoo. Boop, boop, girl. All right, we getting them edges prepared. And now we have installed her adhesive in her unit. But now we see it's a lot of cleanup that needs to be done. You don't want to be walking out the shop looking like that, baby. All right. She requested to get a bob, and that's exactly what she's going to get today. We are using our handy dandy hot tool. And, oh, girl, look at that scalp, honey. You better come down to the weave doctor. It don't get no more realer than that, honey. All right. And she can, this is a full 360 lace. I believe a 13 by 6 frontal unit. So she has a little bit more parting space. And now we have finally styled her. We were trying to get our lighting right for this particular install, but girl, we were struggling. At that time, it was already 10 p.m., so, it was getting a little tired. So if you're interested in booking with us, please schedule at mainattractionshair.com.